Hi guys, so today's tutorial is hamstring stretch. So a lot of you have been asking me for hamstring stretch. I can imagine how important it is for dancers, for everyone, but I can imagine like hamstrings are so difficult to stretch, and if not done the right way, you can easily get injured. Okay, so let's begin by lying down. Okay, if you have a mat or on the floor, it's okay. If you have a sensitive back, then I suggest you fold a towel, like cushion your lower back, okay, because we are going to be on our back. Alright, I'll lie down. I want to work with my right leg, and then you can obviously work on both. Right, so at first, okay, make sure your pelvis is neutral. Okay, hug your right knee to your chest. This is how we begin. And your left leg is going to be straight on the mat, and try and keep your toes flexed and keep your inner thigh contracted. Okay. And you can hold this for a bit. Okay. Breathe in and out, and then hold the back of the leg. Now we're going to inhale. As we exhale, you're going to open the leg. Now, it's not necessary that your leg has to go all the way up, right? It can just open up as much as you can. Please do not force anything, okay? And then exhale, drop. Inhale, extend. Exhale, drop. Just make sure that those toes, the left leg, the toes are pointing towards you and the thigh is contracted. So which means that you have kept your left leg active as well, even though you're stretching your right hamstring. Now we're just going to make a few circles here. Other way around. Now we're going to take an inhale here. As we exhale, see if you can straighten the leg to 90 degrees. Because if your leg is straightening at 90, it means that you have good flexibility already. And if it's not, just stay wherever you feel you're comfortable. Obviously, if your arms are not reaching up all the way here, you can hold the back of the thigh. Okay. So let's say this is where you're holding your leg. Now let's point the foot. The left toes are flexing. Now contract the inner thighs. Make it an active stretch. Okay. Now let go. We're going to hold this for 5 breaths. This is very tough, especially if you your hip flexors are really working here to keep your legs straight. Okay. Now relax and hold again. I'm going to hold this for another 3 breaths and then kick. Look at my back, it's stable. My left leg, stable and grounding me. Okay. Now, if this is available to you, hold on to the foot, your toe. If you cannot, take a strap or a towel, whatever is available, and slowly you're going to drop your leg to the right side while you look away to the left. Now let it drop as much as it can. If you notice, my left hip doesn't move. My toes are still pointing, keeping my thighs contracted. So it's a very active stretch. It's not a passive stretch. And then come back. Fold the legs. Give it a little wiggle. If you're looking for a passive stretch, you could do this. Okay, stretching my right, so here. So you begin with keeping your legs in this position. So you're kind of 90 degrees, and then take the legs in front, whatever is available to you as per the flexibility you have. Now push and straighten. Hold this. You see my toes are flexing. This is a passive stretch. It's not an active stretch because you're supporting it with your arms. It's good good too to start somewhere here in case you're very tired. I would suggest you can start with this and slowly build up. And do not dump your hips in front. Your core is engaged, so it's always giving you that support that you need. Child's pose. And repeat on the left side. Let me know.